Guruve Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo 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 Vishnu Padaya Radhikaya Priyatmane Sri Srimad Bhakti-Vedanta Narayana Itina Sri Krishna Lila Katane Sudhaksham Avadaya Madhu Sayuktam Varam Varenyam Purushamantam Nam Tridandinam Bhakta Siromanim Cha Sri Krishna Padam Javadai Chaitanya Lila Amrita Sara Saram Narayanam Tam Sadatam Prapati Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Let me offer millions of blessings of Lord Day. Now, present past future Vaishnava Tavat Dandavat Pranam. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyevacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Namo namaha. So, today is question and answer. Now, tomorrow is Nityananda Prabhu Trayodasi, right? So, very important day. Maybe we will take up our questions and then we'll talk unfathomable some past answer. Nityananda Prabhu. Maybe both are related. Now, Agnihotra, does Agnihotra expire if you use it on our phone over time? It won't do, because it's very stable. Agnihotra dust is amazingly stable and it does not deteriorate. It is like almost Chinmaya. It's Chinmaya. Rather, with time, it may become better. Even more active. That is the difference. See, the material answer and the spiritual answer is that materials, they deteriorate over the time. Okay, that's why you have an expiry date. But on a spiritual things, there is no expiry date because they keep actually become more powerful. Like ghee, for example. If you keep the ghee for say 10 years, become very powerful medicines. So cow urine like that, cow dung, any related, because cow is something like West. Other day we discussed Shastra, faith in Shastra. What do you mean by faith? Now, any animal dung is, everybody knows, it's impure. Any dog, cat, even humans, lion, tiger, elephant. Of course, vegetarians is maybe a little better, but non-vegetarian, animals is cannot. So, but cow is something different. Shastra says cow's dung, cow dung, is purifying. And in India, all around houses, they all cleanse. And Shastra says it can purify. Lord Krishna's pastime, you can see Mother Yashoda gets any little chance, that Krishna being attacked or this and that or something strange, you know, immediately she takes cow dung and cow urine and then he takes bathing. So Krishna gets purified. Um, I saw in one photo, maybe you might have seen, I was very amazed. The Krishna Balram is there, and then on Balram cheek, the cow is licking Balram's cheek. Many. I thought it was very. um, um, Now, lotus feet of at the lotus feet of Krishna also it licks, bottom. The cows are really amazing because we learn so many things with our cows here. They are spontaneous. They do so many things like child, like, amazing. They come and lick you, this, that, and they know future, to some extent, Sometimes they act strange. But if something bad is going to happen, one time they refuse to come inside our mud. All of them. But they have so much trouble bringing them back. Next day, sure, something unforeseen happens. Unfortunately. So they forewarn, they, and we know cow dung is even used by NASA. It can purify our environment, the earth, our health, and so many things. Actually, Lord has sent that to protect His creation. Uh, Even if we completely destroy the cows, cow dung, cow urine, milk, it has the capacity to rejuvenate back. That's the only thing. Seems like it's amazing, amazing. That's why they don't have expiry date connected with the cow. So rather it increases power. We have one eyesight, for example, specs with the pinhole. Evil Kishori she was very nice, she helped us to bring from China. See those, if you take our lenses, man-made lenses, over time what happens? Our numbers increasing. At the most maybe remain stable. It never decreases. Have you come across anybody wearing glasses gradually and then it will become normal sight? I never heard of it. It gradually gets worse and worse. Whereas with these glasses, it gets better and better, becomes normal. Then you don't need this, you don't need that one. Of course, you should not be using that for a while and this for a while. The eyes will get problem. Confused eyes. Accommodating. Nothing wrong with the eyes. The muscles are weak, tension, and all that. Wrong diet like that. So, God's solution is always to completely correct it and then improve it like that. So cow dung is like that, cow itself. So that way, Agnihotra is another thing is amazing. I told you, I'm reiterating. When we do Agnihotra, we are just basically, from an external point of view, we are burning cow dung. So if you burn anything, what do you expect at the end? It will be carbon, but this is not. You'll have all the 84 elements in it. Like 55 just comes and joins, comes accumulate. How? We don't know. So this is a really, really amazing thing. That's why the spiritual things is always uplifting. So anything, even our bhakti is not material, See, the karma kanda, jnana kanda is like you accumulate, but then it is finished at the end of this life body. But bhakti continues, even after we leave this world, incomplete, but that will not get. Whereas karma and jnana is incomplete, it's gone. It gives you that certain fruit and then retires. Bhakti is not like continuous. Like we have seen Jadabharata, and then the deer he became, Bharat Maharaj became deer, and then you see, Bhakti was continuing, never lost, So, that's why we should be connected with Bhakti, Then only the karma, jnana, it takes on value. Otherwise, it's all zeros, okay? If you do not associate with Bhakti, it's basically zero. It may look externally, oh, this, that, and all that, but no. Bhakti, connected with Bhakti is what brings us the value, anything. So, Bhakti is transcendental, it's an eternal thing. It's no one can destroy it, So, like that, that basically on that principle. Now, can we wash our beards? Again, beard, Tulsi beards is actually Chinmaya. Tulsi is also Chinmaya, like just like I was telling. Chinmaya, no, actually. So she's spiritual. We don't need to wash. But sometimes what devotees do when they go to Ganga or Radha Kund, Shamakund or something, they immerse one time in that water, to spiritualize or something like that. Otherwise, we don't need, we should not use soap and this and that. Of course, the clothes that we put, he gets now and then needs washing, and you should not put it in machine or anything. You better wash it by hand in a sink outside, not in the bathroom, like that. The bead bag. The counting beads sometimes they are not tulsi. You might want to wash them, but the tulsi itself, we generally don't, unless we go near Ganga, Yamuna, those holy rivers or other Kuncha, Manasi, like that. Beards are actually purifies us, or subtle, To what extent can we associate with common people who do not practice Krishna consciousness? What if such association actually increases and deepens one's faith in Sri Guru and Sri? No. See, one thing is, on one level, association means what? To accept or imbibe or to follow their instructions or something like that. But common people, not generally, sometimes for the sake of increasing their faith, you see, sometimes he might do externally, as if we are listening to them, but in a deeper sense, we are not, because it's like prema and kama. See, you have to understand prema and kama. Prema, kama. What is kama? Kama is the activities that we do to fulfill our senses, material senses. So, so that is, so then, like our Acharya says, is we will be our intelligence will be contaminated. Suppose if the common person, usually they are filled with some kama, meaning what? They desire to gratify one's own senses. But the desire to please the senses of Lord Krishna is prema, love and kama. This is the difference. Now the kama is compared to not ordinary darkness, dense darkness. Okay, and then prema is compared to very clear sky, very clear sky. Which has no no fog, no clouds, no dust like that. So dense darkness, completely. So if the common people, usually they have some, unless some common people, acting like common people, there's, different. But generally speaking, they will be lust, So directly, indirectly, they want to, like jnanis, karmis, So, and of course, the devotees also different levels, right? Not pure, but at least they are trying, at least they understand. They should understand what is kama, what is prema, So that's the thing. If you understand that, but of course, sometime, Lord himself or Guru can come as a common person to tell you something. And, later on, he may not trace them or, gives you, reminds us, basically the remind us the, hey, you have forgotten, or you, like that, they might like appear as a common person, but solve our problem, then you may not see them, So those are many incidences are also that. So in that case, it may depends. So in any case, anukula se sankalpa pratikula se. If it is favorable to increase our bhakti, increase our faith in Sri Guru and Vaishnava, you know. So then we accept it. If it destroys or goes other way around, we should. Our Gurudev, he says, who is Sat Shisha, very, very good disciple. One who associates with devotees who are always immersed in the serving Sri Guru. And he will associate with only with such. He will avoid those who do not serve Guru or disobey Guru like that. He says like that. So, of course, you have to see internally, externally, So sometimes that's why if you are sincere, that's the main thing. If we are sincere, Krishna will protect us. If we have no duplicity, sincerity, If we are sincere, Krishna himself appears. If we are insincere, then Maya will allow that kind of people to guide us. Because we are interested in our, gratifying our senses. This is the bottom line, Are we trying to gratify our senses directly or indirectly, or Krishna's senses through Guru and Vaishnavas, So this is the bottom line. So if we try to cheat, then we get cheated. We don't have to worry about it. So Krishna is the biggest cheater. Cannot find any biggest thief. Okay. There is one prayer, one ashtakam. What it says is Choragraganyam Purusham Bhavami. Chora Agraganyam. He is not ordinary thief. He is the foremost of all thieves. So, but he is a wonderful thief. See, ordinary thieves come and what they will steal? Your credit card, money, right? Mobile. Who will steal our sins? Right? Krishna will steal all our sin. So even if you approach him in a disguised way, like Putana, she went like a mother, nicely. Oh, I will feed you. But inside poison, still Krishna purified her and gave her amazing position. See, that's why we approach Krishna and Vaishnavas, always, because there cannot be any inauspiciousness, with their dealings. This is the one thing, like for example, tomorrow is appearance day, Nityananda Trayodasi. We say Akrodha Paramananda Raya. Akrodha, meaning there is no anger. Akrodha. Abhimanya Shimai Nagare Beda. Yare deke tare ka tatu nagara. Nityananda is amazing, he can devotee not enough can glorify. Parama Karuna Payudu Jana. So Now, in this one, there is one pastime. Abhimaneshuna nita nagare beda. Adama patita jivena dware dware giya. Harinama mahamantra dichena vinaya. Jhare deke tare kahe dante trunagari. Hamare khiniya loy bolo gaura. Eta boli nityananda bhumi gadi jai. Sonara parvata jana chulate. Yena avatare jar ratina janmila. Lochan bole sehi papi yala. Oh. So Lochandas Thakur is saying, if such a dayalu, so kind, Nityananda Prabhu, if we do not have love, at the lotus feet, then is human life, which is very, very difficult to get, is gone waste. You know? So he realizes so merciful. You know, Nityananda says, Jagai Madai. He was so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent him like that. Deliver, especially Bengal. Like. So, but at one time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they used to come. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking sannyas, he has gone to stay in Jagannath Puri, right? And Rath Yatra, time before Rath Yatra begins, people used to come from Bengal, Bangladesh, to see. So Shivananda Sen is to arrange staying, because it takes many, many days to travel. They were all traveling by foot, 1 week or something like that. So slowly children were there, ladies were also there sometime, children. So although many times crossing rivers, so many arrangements, So Shivananda Sen is to arrange all that. One time Nityananda Prabhu was also in the group. So